Sometimes we need extra cleaning power, right? Oh my goodness. Who have you been around? Or you have a child coming home from school. Yeah, and you need to make sure it doesn't get spread to the other people in the home. So this is something I do that works really well. So I take the thieves cleaner, and normally I would add 1 cap to a 4 to 8 ounce bottle, depending on if I'm doing mirrors, floors, or whatever, kitchen cleaning, bathrooms. But we're going to make this more powerful because we want to make sure we're taking care of business. So I'm actually going to add 3 caps to add extra strength to this. From here, whoops, getting all over my hands, sorry. From here, I am going to add lemon. Now this is a 4 ounce spray bottle, so I think I'll add maybe 15. I love the constituents in lemon essential oil, and I also love, for this reason, or for this particular situation, the tea tree. I'm going to add the same amount, 15. Okay, so always, always, always add filtered or distilled water into your cleaners so that, you know, you want to make sure what you're adding to this is clean. Sometimes tap water is not as clean as we think it is. So in my case, I am using filtered water. I don't have distilled water today. And now I'm just going to fill up the bottle. I may have to get some more water, but you're going to get the idea. Yeah, I'll need a little bit more water than this, but that's okay. Spray well, spray often. I will even use this and spray my hands. Remember, this is a safe plant-based product. The constituents of these 2 oils are very beneficial for what you're going to be using this for. You can spray your furniture, you can spray mattresses, you can spray linens. So if you have all that going around in your home, strengthen up your thieves cleaner and use it, use it, use it. You'll be glad you did. Here's the difference. You can kind of see this is frosted. The difference in the colors because it's a little bit stronger. I hope this is something you can use, but I highly recommend you give it a try. I don't think you'll be sorry. Blessings. May you have wellness, purpose, and abundance.